Welcome to a quick demo of the Home Maintenance app. User registration. The user needs to provide just a few simple details to create an account. Login. The user logs into the application using the registered email ID and password. Home page. This is the landing page after the successful login where the user can explore the app features. Device registration. The user can register all their personal devices and home appliances here. Device details. The user can see a list of all the registered devices here. Your home details. This page displays all the household devices categorized by location. Personal belongings. The list of users' personal devices are available here. Device reminder. The Home Maintenance app sends timely reminders to notify the user about a device's approaching warranty expiry. Those reminders' notification message can be accessed here. DIY. This is an important feature of the Home Maintenance app. Through this, all users of the app can share device repair post, how to post, and other information posts. Other users can review, like, comments, and bookmark the posts. Profile screen. This screen enables users to edit their profile and also view all their previous posts by clicking on the respective posts. Drawer screen. The drawer screen contains features such as logout, account deletion, privacy policy, and terms and conditions. Feedback. The user can share valuable feedback with the development team here. The development team will do their best to incorporate valid feedback during subsequent release cycles.